Alright, so we're trying to get this air filter installed. I don't know if I have the tools to do it. Alright, so we're going to try to get this thing off. So part of the issue, if you do have a quad lock and you're trying to lift up your gas tank, you're gonna have to move your quad lock. All right, you're gonna have to move it out the way.
In the midst of the land of
All right, so they changed these up. On the older ones, all you had to do once you got the tank up, removing the 2 bolts here, and then the seat. Once you remove the seat and you're able to lift up the clamshell, it used to be where all you had to do was take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts, and then on the top 9, 10. But now you have to remove 2 more lugs, 2 more slugs there. I'm not sure what size they are. They look kind of maybe like there might be 10 millimeters. So what you doing, Bean? We're gonna try to find something that might work. so we're gonna loosen these up, and I stress, try not to drop anything. So we got one out. Let's get the other one out. Yeah.
Why are you showing us how to fix a bike?
Yeah, I'm trying to install this air filter in here. It's inside this box.
You're basically showing them how
How to change the air filter.
Dad, where's the gas?
In here, the tank. You gotta lift it. You gotta lift the tank up. The tank sits on top of the air box.
So it's in here?
Yep. There's the air, and the air comes in through here.